the one from last time.
It's okay.
Say?
Yeah. You guys share it together.
I shared this with Sarah and me.
It's a very chill Friday evening.
See?
Live music. Hi, Bob girl. Welcome
Is
to my
that
life.
good? We are two. One or two?
Drink some water now.
Two is good? Or three is good?
2 is good. Drifting Nerds. Yes, it is. Haley, hi. Welcome to my live stream. No, it's not.
No, that's it. Two is all Nope. That's
Atlantic.
what? Alright, cool. Music up again.
It's a nice Friday afternoon. This is Nova Scotia. Yeah, it's nice. There's someone playing live music as well. The sun is out. It's a little bit windy, but it's good. It was snowing when yesterday. It was snowing, but the rain came and washed it all away, so it's good. Yeah, shout out to you, Drifting Nerds. remember to like, guys, and also if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please do so and check out a lot of videos on my channel. Careful. Down. Let's go down here. Bring the bag. Let's go down here. Here. Yeah. Oh, is everyone Friday going? Just sitting by the ocean. Bring it and come. What's wrong? Wait, stop. Hi, Zay. Welcome to my life. Happy Friday to you too.
Happy Friday to you too. And welcome back to this beauty. Today we're talking about the waterfront, and we always stay in this because when we went there, we
Don't do that. Did you drink water?
yeah.
You sure? A lot of water? He's behind me.
I can have a
Come here. Close the bottle. Where's your bottle?
my bottle.
Yeah.
It's in my backpack.
It's in the side?
Guys, don't sit here. Look at this.
Oh, that's fine.
What's that?
That's fine. You guys can play over there. Hi, Caribbean girl. Tony, how are you? Friday evening. Just chilling out. It's nice out, yeah? Thanks for joining my live, Zay. It's getting a bit windy now, but it's fine. Water is tied out, so there's no water right here. It's underneath the boardwalk. Normally the water will be all the way up to here, but it's tied out. Hi, Sales. How are you doing? Oh yeah, you're welcome. Anytime, brother. Yeah, it is a nice view. With fresh air. This is a very nice view. Just listening to the
I
water.
was gonna tell you something.
Yes.
I think we should start putting. I think we should start separating the egg yolk and the egg white every time when mom is making cake. We should tell her that when we come back. Okay?
Okay. You can go to play now. Hey, this side. Oh, the breeze is strong. Everything is blown away. Okay, there we go. Alright, bring it down.
Right here.
Yeah, the breeze is getting very strong now. Okay. Down, down, down. Lower is better. Alright, here we go. Hello? Hey!
Back.
Are you cold?
Nope.
It's getting windy.
I got it broken on my pants, but I don't feel cold.
Welcome to my live, everyone. Happy Friday. Getting some fresh air. Hey. Hey. Yeah, bless up, Patrick. What's good, bro? KK's Kitchen. Hi, happy Friday, everyone. Just chilling out, yeah? Friday evening.
What's that?
Don't go on that thing.
Oh, don't fly too high.
Yeah, don't go on it. It's getting windy now.
Oh, you mean, Daddy? You mean don't climb too high on that spider web.
Yeah, don't go on it.
Oh, don't climb so
Don't
high.
go on it in general.
Why?
No, it's getting windy. What if the wind pushes you off there, blow you off?
No, I can't.
Happy Friday.
Because I'm holding it.
You're holding it.
Yeah.
Be careful.
Because if
Be
I
careful. Be careful. Sit properly. See, the sun is gone now. The cloud coming took the sun away.
those clouds are super naughty.
No, it's just nature. That's what nature does, right?
What? Why the clouds do nature?
Nature.
Are you doing nature points?
See, look at him now. Now he's going up there.
What's that?
It's getting.
Daddy?
Yeah.
Daddy, do you want to tell me something funny?
Okay. Huh? What is that?
That's funny.
Where did you learn that?
Funny. What?
Where did you learn that?
From Ishan. Ishan. He's a funny.
Yeah, thanks for liking. Whoa, it's getting windy, man. Bless up, Journey. Welcome. What's good? Happy Friday to you. Just chilling out, getting some fresh air down here. Where is this place? This place is in Canada. Oh, okay. You're at work. Yeah, it's a nice even out though. It was sunny earlier, but the sky is getting dark now, so the sun is gone. Let's go for a walk around. Here you go. Here's your backpack.
Is this mine?
Properly.
Is that mine?
It's fine.
This can be
Come.
mine and the dinosaur one can be
Come, let's go.
mine.
Give me your hand. Yes.
How about the dinosaur ones can be Aiden?
Let's go.
And this one can be mine. Because Aiden loves dinosaurs. I know that.
Okay. You wanna hold his hand?
Aiden, can I hold your hand? Why? Aiden don't want to hold my
It's fine. If you do that in the gravel, you know you'll fall over, right?
hand.
If you do that in the gravel, you'll fall over. There's no water here.
Aiden, Daddy,
Yeah.
if you fall down there, then you will hit your bum.
See, the water is tied out. Normally, the water will be right here, where the brown spot is, but there's no water. Careful. Fine. Yeah.
Mom, let's go see what's that.
Where?
I want to see what's that.
It's fine. Let's go this side.
I want to see what's that from.
That's for a gallery. stay on that side.
Down here's not windy.
I stay on this side. Let's go. Come on the other side, please. You stay on the inside. Why don't you want me to hold your hand? Okay, hold your brother's hand then. Hold his hand.
Oh my God.
Okay, walk by yourself then.
Now walk with your poo-poo friend.
You think he's a man?
Why?
No fighting, be nice. Come. Is your hands cold? Yeah, very cold, man. He doesn't want no one to hold his hands. He pushed them in his pockets.
It is super naughty.
It's not naughty. See, the water is nice, right? Yeah, the water is very nice. Normally the water is all the way up there. But today it's only here. Alright, let's roll. Okay, you want to hold his hand as it then? Hold his hand then.
Let's go.
Yeah, let him hold your hand. Let him hold your hand. Let him hold your hand. No.
Hold it back.
No. Hold your hand, not backpack. Yeah, there it is. No, he's gonna fall over. What are you doing? Don't try to lift him up. He's trying to hold your hand. Huh?
I need to pick him, not hold. Pick.
No. The water is definitely very cold now.
You know,
Come, let's walk up. There's like drips of rain. See, it's drizzling now. Yeah, that's why I said walk up. Let's go. Cover your head. Or maybe it's from because of the wind. Come, walk up. Or maybe it's just moisture in the hair from the water because of the wind. Then the wave. It's rain. Let's go. Yeah, it starts to rain now. We're gonna end this live. Alright, thank you for driving, guys. Yeah, it's raining now.